This is an album file, often from older ArcSoft software. It organizes photos but doesn't contain them. It links to images on your hard drive. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain the links. If the standard fixes fail, I have a plan B, a proprietary technique that almost always works on stubborn ABM files. An ABM file is a digital index or database. It does not contain actual image data, like JPEGs or PNGs. Instead, it stores the file paths, links to where your photos are located on your hard drive, along with thumbnails and album metadata, titles, dates, and descriptions. It allows you to organize thousands of photos into books without duplicating the large image files themselves. Developed by ArcSoft Inc., the format follows a pointer-based design. A critical design rule is path dependency. If you move your original photos to a different folder or rename them, the ABM file will break, showing a broken link icon because it can no longer find the file at the address stored in its index. Generally, ABM files are associated with ArcSoft Photo Impression, developed by ArcSoft Inc. To maintain file health, avoid direct interaction using Windows Explorer alone. Windows offers minimal functionality with these files, leaving editing to dedicated design programs. The problem is often a missing file association. Right-click the ABM file and choose Open With. Start with ArcSoft Photo Impression if available. If not, select another application from the list. If the ABM file is still refusing to open, it's expected. Every failure has a cause. Here are the common technical reasons why your system is failing to correctly parse the ABM format. First, keep the file in same place. Keep the ABM file in the same directory as your photos. If you move it, the software will lose the connection to your images. Next, use PhotoStudio 6. To open and view these files today, you typically need ArcSoft PhotoStudio 6 or Serif Photo Plus. Modern apps like Windows Photos or Adobe Lightroom do not support this proprietary index format. Finally, rename to TXT. If you can't open the file, rename it to TXT and open it in Notepad. You can often see the original folder paths where your missing photos are stored, helping you track them down. When standard associations break, it's typically because the ABM label is being used by an uncommon or proprietary application. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the ABM label is unclear or shared. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your ABM file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. Download the recommended utility using the link provided. If you're a longtime viewer, thanks. If you're new, please join the community by subscribing today.